Good morning, students. We'll start with a new topic, areas related to the circles, chapter 12. Okay. Now, we have already seen in the earlier classes what is perimeter. That is the circumference of a circle, area of a circle, then two special parts of the circle, that is sector and segment. Okay. Now, let us further study the combination of all this in this particular chapter. Okay. Just turn the page. Now perimeter and area of a circle is a review what we have already studied in the lower class. Okay. Now a circle is a perimeter and this perimeter is called circumference. So whenever you are talking about perimeter of a circle, that is equal to the circumference. Okay. Now this circumference of a circle and the diameter, it has a constant ratio. This ratio is denoted by a Greek letter pi. Okay, so whenever you have got circumference upon diameter, the ratio gives you a Greek letter pi. Okay, now the value of pi and all you all know. Okay, from this the formula of circumference was derived, that pi circumference is equal to pi into diameter. Now diameter is also twice the radius, so we write 2r instead of diameter, so we get here 2 pi r. So the formula of circumference 2 pi r is derived from this formula. Circumference upon diameter is equal to pi. That was the value of pi was given by Aryabhatta. Okay, all of us know that is 3.1416, and then again it was given by Ramanujan, that is 22 upon 7. So we can take both these values, okay, of pi. Now we get next we come to the area of circle, that is pi r square, that we have already studied in lower class like 7th and all. What is pi r square? Now how do we get this pi r square? Let us see this. Okay, now if you see a circle, here there are 16 parts of the circle. Okay, now see this circle, if we stretch it out like this into, now can you see this is a rectangle? Okay, now each of these lines, that is they are the radius. Okay, so this is the radius. Okay, these all lines are radius. Okay, now if you see this part, okay, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts blue and 8 parts white. Okay, so for entire circle, if you see, this is the circumference of the circle, this is the half of the circumference. Now circumference is 2 pi r, so you can write half 2 pi r here, half 2 pi r here. Okay, so when we join this, it complete becomes a 2 pi r. Okay, so this is the length, that is half 2 pi r, this is the breadth, that is r. Okay, so if you want to equate this with the area of rectangle, it is length into breadth, that is half 2 pi r into 2 pi r multiplied by r. Okay, so you go to the next page. So area of circle is equal to area of rectangle. Okay, now area of rectangle, length is equal to half 2 pi r into r, and breadth is r, that is what we have seen in this figure. This is the length and this is the breadth. So when we multiply these two, okay, what happens is 2 gets cancelled, okay, and we get pi r square. So this is how we get the area of circle. Okay, now we go to the first example. The first example, the cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is equal to rupees 5280. Okay, now this field is to be plowed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. Okay, and we have to find the total cost of plowing the field. Okay, the value of pi is given 22 upon 7. So first we are fencing the circular field, that means this is related to circumference. Okay, now how to find the circumference? Total cost upon the rate, that is 5280 upon 24. This is 24 per meter, so that will give you 220 meters. So 220 meters is the circumference of the circular field. Okay, now from this we can find the radius, because we have to find the area to be plowed. Now area is this area, this area has to be plowed. Okay, so to find the area we need radius, we don't have the radius, so with this formula we find the radius first. Okay, so 2 pi r is equal to 220, so r is equal to 220 into 7 upon 2 into 22, that gives you 35. So it gives us 35 meters, that is the radius. Now putting the value of r into pi r square, we find the area. Okay, the area will be 22 upon 7, 35 multiplied by 35 because radius. Okay. So whatever is the area, 1 meter square cost is 0.50. So again you multiply that by 0.50. That will give you 1925 rupees. Thank you.